Are you worried of falling and injuring yourself? Well, you don't have to. Your body can automatically catch itself from falling. You just need to train it. Practice these drills. Now I'm going to show you the goal move and how to practice to get there. Once you've mastered it, your body will be ready for those unexpected moments. So lateral movement and balance is an obvious thing to practice. This will train your ankles for any time you need to catch yourself from the side. Now we gotta practice doing rapid little steps. The goal is to be able to quickly shuffle back and forth. When you're falling, your feet might need to do rapid adjustments. If you've never trained your body to do it, then that won't be possible. Here's how to practice it. We're just gonna do it in one spot, lifting our heels. Now here I'm tracing numbers 1 to 10 with my foot while staying balanced on one leg. You could trace the alphabet as well, or your first and last name if it's long enough. The idea is just to learn how to stay balanced while destabilizing your whole center of gravity. Here's how to practice it. We're just tapping on each side. Now our ankles need to be strong in all its planes of motion. Here's a great way to strengthen it. The goal is to be able to pivot from side to side across the room. Start off by just doing it in place, holding a chair for balance. Now let's not forget learning to move backwards in an off-balance position. You're gonna walk backwards on your heels, and then we're gonna walk forward on our tiptoes. We're essentially catching ourselves from falling with both moves. So please be careful doing this. You might actually fall if you're not ready. Here's how to practice to get there. We're simply doing some heel and toe raises using a chair for balance. I hope this helps and stay safe.